How do you say fish en français in French? How do you say fish in French? Poisson. Hi, everyone, and welcome to your English class. Learn English with Jackie. Learn English with Jackie. Learn English, learn English, learn English with Jackie. Woo! Okay, before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, Sigue Jackie, C-E-S-T Jackie, Jackie, for more English classes. Thank you. So today, what are we going to talk about? We are going to talk about useful questions to use when you're learning English. What are some questions that you should always use when you are learning English? Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1, please repeat. Or the question would be, could you please repeat? So I'll teach you both, the question and the shorter. Let's go. Could you please repeat? Repeat. Could you please repeat? Very good. Or the shorter version, please repeat. One more time. Please repeat. Very good. Okay, another useful question. How do you say blah, blah, blah in your language? In Spanish, in French, in German, in Portuguese, etc., etc., etc. Okay? Let's try it. For example, how do you say mother in Spanish? Repeat. How do you say mother in Spanish? The answer would be, in Spanish, mother is madre. Very good. Another useful question to know is, how do you write that? Or how do you spell that? Both work. Let's repeat. How do you write that? Or how do you spell that? Very good. Another useful question is, could you please speak slower? Repeat. Could you please speak slower? Could you please speak slower? Very good. And one last useful question. Of course, there are many other questions that are very useful in English, but the last one for today is, could you please write it down? Could you please write it down? One more time. Could you please write it down? Excellent. I hope this video, whether it's a refresher or something really new for you, helps you when you're learning English. And if you want to know anything specific, please let me know below. If you have a favorite question, please let me know below. And if you have a question that is difficult to pronounce, please let me know below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, CESTJACKIE, Cest Jackie, and to share this video with the world. And I hope to see you at our next English class. Bye.